What's going on, y'all? Start a little project here. Let me get you off the tripod for just a second. So I turn the, as you see, well, over here, I put the new hinge on the tailgate on the outside. These bolts were good. The metal's good. This side, not so much. It is completely gone. So I fabbed up this piece, go around the corner. There's the hinge, obviously. It's pretty close. I'll back all this. There's over there banging on shit. Hold on a minute, let me show them this. I got these nuts on here, I'm getting ready to weld them on. Alright, I think we can put this thing on. I'll show you this real quick. So I put the new hinge parts here. Got that all rigged up and welded. Got that one on. The other one was complete. So all new hinges. Hopefully we can make it work now and not fall off.
No, actually, that one I just glued it. I just fucking hammered that balancer back on there.
Yeah.
Actually, let's not fuck it up.
Camera's on.
Yeah, well, it would have been a better video if you put that music over it.
Did you see that?
Yeah. You're like, that's a really unfortunate.
I'm sorry about your luck, buddy. I'm so glad I welded these bits in here.
So you just screw them right in there?
Yeah, it's like it's supposed to be there and shit.
Do you think you'd be restoring one of these 20 years later?
No. 20 shit, 35 years later.
I forgot you're old now.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to work in the truck that put the plant that built these things. That's what he was referring to.
Hey Dad, should I probably try and just fire this thing up before I put this water pump back on, just make sure that cam sensor works?
Yeah. Bit of a bind. Something goofed up. Justin here. Isn't it perfect spot? Weird. Okay. Now I'm gonna make some adjustments. But it don't fall off now. Okay. Of course it's dark out now, but tailgate closes now. Let me show you what I did real quick. Down. So I had to wire out the holes in this part and this part so I could move it down a little bit. But I mean, it's solid now, which is really nice. And you go here and give her a slammer. Solid. Genuine 1987 iron with the spare tire in it from 1987. So thanks for watching. Get out there and fix something.